time now for a bite of the week. It comes from a retired educator. The 57-year-old woman says she has been visiting the Linstead Hospital in St. Catherine for over 2 months and was left in limbo after being discharged with an IV device left in her arm. Here's our bite of the week.
The entire system, because I'm a pensioner. I don't have enough money to travel all the way to Kingston, from country to Kingston. And I used to teach and all of that, but it's rough. It's really rough. Plus I have to buy food and maintain myself. Yeah, so it's failure.